Hello, everyone. I'm sure you guys have done your money magnet practice yesterday. Make sure that you incorporate that in your life. It will actually make you a magnet to money. Okay, so let's start with today's practice. That is day 10, the magic dust. Today, you need to sprinkle the magic dust wherever you go, whosoever do some services for you. Okay, so let's start and understand. So today is day 10, magic dust everyone. So today we are going to spread magic dust everywhere we go. Okay, so let's start and understand it. No duty is more urgent than that of returning thanks. So what do we understand? Whosoever do anything for you, you should return a thanks to them. We are not in that hurry that you forget to express your gratitude or be thankful to that person, right? So, ancient spiritual teachings say that what we give to another person with a full heart returns to us 100-fold. So, being grateful and saying thank you to another person for anything you receive from them is not only urgent, it's vital to improving your life. So, whosoever does something for you, it's very important that you return a thanks to them. The thing is, you need to understand that it's not only urgent, but very, very important also. It's mandatory to return a thanks to whoever did something for you. Okay, to whosoever does something for you. Gratitude is a powerful energy, and so whomever you direct gratitude's energy towards, that's where it goes. If you think of gratitude's energy looking like sparkling magic dust, then when you express gratitude to another person in return for something you have received from them, you are literally sprinkling them with that magic dust. Right? So, whosoever does something for you, you need to express your gratitude to that person. Try to understand that you are sprinkling magic dust on them through your gratitude. Okay. And it's very, very powerful and positive energy. The powerful positive energy in magic dust reaches and affects whomever you sprinkle it on. Right? Most of us make contact with many people every day, whether on the phone, through email, or face to face at work, in stores, restaurants, elevators, buses, or trains. And in many cases, the people we make contact with deserve our gratitude because we are receiving something from them. तो कोई भी सर्विसेज अगर आप किसी से भी रिसीव कर रहे हो कहीं पे भी it's important and vital to return a thanks, a gratitude for the services they did for you. Okay, and it's very, very important also. And I'm sure nobody is in that hurry to, to forget to express their gratitude, right? Think about the people you encounter on a typical day who provide you with some kind of service, like those working in stores, restaurants, bus, or cab drivers, customer service people, cleaners, or the staff at your work. The people who work in service are giving themselves to serve you, and you are receiving their service, right? Whosoever is working under you, whosoever is working around you, everyone is delivering some services to you, and they deserve a thank you from you. Right? If you don't say thank you in return for the service, then you are not being grateful and you are stopping the good from coming into your life. So if you don't acknowledge their efforts, if you don't appreciate their services, and if you don't say thank you, then you are stopping yourself from getting magic into your life, from getting good into your life, right? Think about the maintenance workers who keep our transport systems working safely and those who maintain the service of utilities such as electricity, gas, water, our roads, right? Everyone is working for you. अगर हमें रोड्स क्लीन मिल रहे हैं तो somebody is actually working, right? अगर हमें रोड्स अच्छे मिल रहे हैं तो somebody is actually working for us. We need to understand that each and every person is doing a service to us, right? Think about the cleaners of the world who clean our streets, public bathrooms, trains, buses, airplanes, hospitals, restaurants, supermarkets, and office building. मैंने कितने बार देखा जब भी कोई रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं ना, there are people who don't talk nicely to the waiters. Why? What have they done to you? In fact, they are working for you. They are giving you services. You should talk with them politely. You should be grateful for the work they are doing, right? But there are people who don't understand that and they are welcoming bad into their life, right? You can't personally say thank you to all of them, true, obviously, but you can sprinkle them with magic dust. You can tell them thank you in your thoughts by saying thank you next time you pass one of them. Okay, and you can be grateful next time you sit at a clean desk or walk on a clean sidewalk or across a polished floor. We need to be live basically. आप अच्छे से नोटिस करो आसपास में क्या हो रहा है, राइट? अगर हम सोचेंगे उस हिसाब से तो you'll feel wow, you are so privileged. And whenever you see anyone crossing you, you can sprinkle magic dust on them. If you don't see those people around you, you can express your gratitude in your thoughts, right? Positive energy will go to them. So basically, today we need to sprinkle magic dust on everyone who is doing services for us. When you are at a cafe or restaurant, sprinkle magic dust by saying thank you to each person as they serve you. Whether cleaning the table, giving you the menu, receiving your order, filling your glasses with water, serving the meal you ordered, clearing the table, giving you the bill, giving you change, remember to say thank you every single time. If you're in a store or a supermarket checkout, sprinkle magic dust and say thank you to the person who serves you or packs your groceries. Each and every one is doing their task. Each and every one is giving services to you. So you need to understand that since they are giving you service, you should be polite, you should be kind, you should be a good human being and sprinkle magic dust to them through your gratitude. Right? If you're traveling by plane, sprinkle magic dust by saying thank you to the check-in people, the people in security, the people who checks your ticket as you board, the cabin crew who greet you as you enter the plane. During the flight, say thank you to the cabin crew every time they perform a service for you. Serving drinks and food or removing your plate or trash is a service. Each and every person who does something for you is giving a service to you. So you need to express your gratitude. The airline thanks you for flying with them. The captain thanks you and the crew thank you. So do the same and thank them as well when you leave the plane, right? And every time you take off and land at your destination, say thank you because the fact that you can fly is an absolute miracle. They have done a big service to you. You can, reach one place to another place in a fraction of hours, right? And it's a miracle. You should feel blessed, right? Be grateful to those persons who assist you in your work, whether they are clerical staff, receptionist, canteen staff, cleaners, customer service people, or any of your work colleagues. Magic dust them with your thank you. All of them are doing a service and they deserve your continued gratitude in return. They actually deserve it. And if you want to bring magic into your life, you should say thank you. Store assistants, waiters, waitresses work very hard to serve people. They have chosen a job to serve other people, and serving the public means encountering all kinds of people in varying moods, including those who are ungrateful. So, next time you are being served by another person, remember that the person who is serving you is a precious daughter or son to parents, an irreplaceable brother or sister to siblings, a mother or father to a family, and children a loved and adored partner or friend, and they deserve your kindness and patience. All my life I understood one thing, that being kind is the ultimate thing a human should be. Okay, you should actually bring kindness in your life. It actually, spreads positivity around you. If you're a good human being, if you're a good person, if you are polite, if you're kind, if you express your gratitude to everyone who has done something for you, if you understand that, you are creating magic in your life. Trust me. Even if bad things are happening in your life, life is all about ups and downs, right? अच्छा खराब होते रहेगा, but you need to understand that bring positivity out of negativity. We have done that practice also. So you need to understand that if you want to attract good things in your life, first you be a good human being, bring gratitude in your day-to-day life, right? At times, you may encounter a person in service who behaves rudely towards you, who doesn't give you the attention you think you deserve. It may be more challenging to be grateful in these situations, but your gratitude cannot be dependent on another person's behavior. Choose to be grateful no matter what. What others are facing, we don't know. If somebody else is miserable, you don't need to make yourself miserable. Don't let your mental stability get disturbed from any outsider, from any person near you. Your actions are not dependent on another's person's action. Okay. So choose to respond instead of react. Okay. Then you'll see how your life change. So you need to choose to be grateful no matter what, because through that you are bringing magic into your life. Choose magic in your life no matter what. It might help you to remember that you don't know what difficulty someone might be going through at the time you connect with them or him or her, right? So we don't know what the other person is facing. We don't know how is the situation at his place, because we are not in their shoes. So don't judge anybody. देखो, डोंट जज एनीबडी, डोंट ब्रिंग ईगो इनटू योर लाइफ कि वो कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वो हमें देख रहे हैं. नो, यू कैन नॉट बी जजमेंटल, यू कैन नॉट जज व्हाट अदर पर्सन आर डूइंग. यू डोंट हैव एनी राइट टू डू दैट ऑल्सो. Everyone is living their own life. You don't need to change your behavior because of somebody else. Okay? Try to understand that it might be a bad day for him or her, but you should choose to be grateful. They may be feeling unwell. They may have just lost a loved one. Their marriage might have just ended, or they may be in desperation and at a tipping point in their life. Your gratitude and kindness might be the most magical thing that happens to them that day. Maybe. They might be having a bad day, but when they see your magic, your gratitude, your kindness, they might feel better. They might feel good, right? So be kind, because for everyone you meet is fighting a hard battle. Trust me, each and every one has their story. What you can do as a human being is be kind. That's it. And it's very easy. It's very, very easy, right? If you thank someone on the phone for his or her help, don't throw away your thank you. Instead, give the reason why you are grateful. He might, feel good about knowing the reason. For example, thank you for your help. Thank you for going out of your way for me. Thank you for giving me so much of your time. Thank you for resolving the situation for me. I'm very grateful to you. You will be amazed at the response from another person when you do this simple thing, because they will feel your sincerity. They will feel that you are acknowledging. They will feel that you are appreciating for the effort they have given to you. Right? Just don't say thank you. No. Bring some magic in your lines also, so that the other person feels special, right? When you say thank you to someone in person, look at his or her face. They will not feel your gratitude or receive your magic dust unless you look directly at them. Whenever you're face to face, don't just put on thank you. He might not feel good because it looks disinterested. When you look into their eyes and say thank you so much for this and this, it will feel better. You have wasted an opportunity to help that person and to change your own life if you say thank you to the air, or thank you as if you are looking down, or thank you while you are on your cell phone, because you are not really sincere when you do it, right? So whenever you say thank you, look face to face, eye to eye, make that contact. Let the other person feel special, right? A couple of years ago, I was in a store buying a gift for my sister. The store assistant who served me listened to what I was looking for and then went on a search for the perfect gift as though it was her sister. As the store assistant handed me the bag containing the perfect, beautifully wrapped gift, I received a call on my cell phone. I was finishing the call when I reached the front entrance of the store, and suddenly an unsettled feeling swept over me. I immediately returned to the store assistant who had helped me, and I not only thanked her, but I told her all the reasons why I was grateful to her and how much I appreciated everything she did for me. I showered her with gratitude's magic dust, and her eyes were filled with tears, and the biggest smile you have ever seen swept across her face. You don't know what magic you can create in other people's life. You don't know how the other person might feel appreciated, right? Don't forget to appreciate people who are doing so much for you. Trust me, it actually means a lot, right? We often forget to thank our close ones, our loved ones. We take them for granted, but trust me, if you bring the magic of gratitude in your life will change manifold. I'm not saying that I don't do this. I'm not saying that I don't face problems. Even I have my own share of ups and downs, but I know how to tackle it. I know how to come stronger because of the practices I am doing. It is changing me as a person, right? You need to change as a person as well. Every action always has an equal reaction. If you really mean it, when you say thank you, the other person will feel it, and you will not only have made another person feel really good, but your gratitude will fill you with an indescribable happiness. That day, I walked out of the store indescribably happy, right? आपको खुद को अच्छा लगेगा. When you will do something good for another person, आपको खुद को अच्छा feel होगा, right? I don't use magic dust only for the people who serve. I use gratitude's magic dust in all kinds of situations. When I say goodbye to my daughter before she drives to her home, I feel gratitude for her having arrived home safely. And I wave my fingers in the air and imagine sprinkling magic dust over her and her car. Even I do the same. Whenever my kid, when I drop him to the school bus, I always sprinkle magic dust for him reaching the school safely, for him coming back to the home safely. I always do that. Sometimes I sprinkle magic dust on my computer before I begin a new project, or sprinkle magic dust ahead of me before I walk into a store to look for something in particular that I need. My daughter uses magic dust when she is driving. And if she sees another driver who seems to be stressed and is speeding, she sprinkles magic dust over them to help make them feel better and keep them safe. The thing is कि it's not important कि जो लोग आपके लिए सर्विसेज कर रहे हैं आप सिर्फ उन्हीं को मैजिक डस्ट दो. आप मैजिक डस्ट किसी को भी दे सकते हो, टू एनीबडी, टू अ प्रोडक्ट, टू अ थिंग, एनीबडी, टू द रोड, टू द पार्किंग एरिया, टू एवरीथिंग जिसमें भी आपको चाहिए कि अच्छा होना चाहिए. तो बेसिकली यू कैन स्प्रिंकल मैजिक डस्ट ऑन एनीथिंग जो आपको हेल्प कर रहा है, जो आपके काम आसान कर रहे हैं, टू अ पर्सन हु माइट नीड ऑल्सो, राइट? अगर कोई एकदम स्पीड चला के जा रहा है तो हम डायरेक्टली क्या बोलते हैं, मरेगा, ऐसे कैसे चला रहा है? नो, वी शुड try to sprinkle magic dust saying that please help him reach safely wherever he wants to go. He is in a hurry, there might be some reason, but please help them. Basically हमें किसी के बारे में भी खराब नहीं सोचना, right? तो particularly you need to bring this into your life that गलत thoughts आना ही नहीं है. Just sprinkle magic dust everywhere you go. Right. Today, take gratitude's magic dust with you for the people who work in service, and look for every opportunity you can to sprinkle magic dust on everyone by saying thank you. थैंक यू. आज आपको क्या करना है? थैंक यू करना है एटलीस्ट 10 लोगों को, 10 people who perform different services from whom आपको बेनिफिट मिल रहा है. It doesn't matter if you don't get the opportunity to do it in person, you can mentally acknowledge the people whose service you benefit from. The magic dust will still reach them. Okay, as an example, mentally say to yourself, I'm really grateful to the cleaners who work through the early hours of the morning, making sure that the streets are cleaned off trash every day. And I have never really thought about how grateful I am for that service, which is done like clockwork every day. Thank you. You notice this? Every morning we find the clean streets. Sure, somebody is working for that, right? So you just need to sprinkle magic dust. You just acknowledge them mentally, and positive vibrations will fly through them, right? Make sure you keep count of the people in service you are grateful for, so that you know when you have thanked 10 different people for their services and sprinkled magic dust on them all. Okay, so you need to basically keep a count of that. क्योंकि 10 लोगों को या 10 चीज में आपको मैजिक डस्ट देना है आज. If you imagine the sparkling magic dust falling over people when you thank them, you have a picture of what really happens in the invisible with the power of gratitude. With this picture in your mind, it will help you to believe and know that the magic dust of gratitude really does reach people, and that it will be available to help them to improve their lives. And every time you sprinkle magic dust over another person, it also returns to you in your own life. And आपको अपने आप 1-2 दिन में समझ में आ जाएगा, wow, why this is happening with me? Because you are spreading positivity, positivity will come to you also. If you are at home today, then sit down with a pen and journal or on your computer and go back in your mind, recalling instances where people in service went out of their way. हर इंसान के लाइफ में कोई ना कोई ऐसा इंसान होगा या कोई ना किसी ने ऐसा किया होगा कि वो आउट ऑफ द वे जाके आपको हेल्प कर रहे हैं. आपको वो सब बातें रिकॉल करना है. इट मे हैव बिन समवन ऑन द फोन और इट मे हैव बिन समवन अ ट्रेड्स पर्सन हु वाज डिटरमाइंड टू रिजॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू. मे बी यू हैव रिसीव्ड अ ग्रेट सर्विस और अ मेल पर्सन, द ट्रैश कलेक्टर्स, recycling companies, local store assistant. It can be anybody, right? To make a written list of 10 instances where people in service helped you. ये सब पास्ट में, या आज के दिन तो आपको करना और पास्ट का भी आप देखो. जिसने भी आपको आज तक आउट ऑफ द वे जाके हेल्प किया, उन सबको आपको मैजिक डस्ट देना है बाय सेइंग थैंक यू, राइट? एंड सो इट वाज ऑल अबाउट मैजिक डस्ट. तो आज आप सबको स्प्रिंकल करते करते जाओगे मैजिक डस्ट टू मेक योर लाइफ बेटर, टू मेक अदर पीपल्स लाइफ बेटर एज वेल, राइट? सो आज का रिमाइंडर है कि हमें कल का प्रैक्टिस आज ही करना है, बिकॉज टुमारो यू नीड टू स्टार्ट योर प्रैक्टिस एज सुन एज यू वेक अप. Okay, so we'll read it at the end. So today's practice, magic practice number 10, magic dust everyone. First of all, the same practice you need to do, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful as you are for the blessings, right? Second, what you need to do is you need to sprinkle magic dust on 10 people. 10 लोगों के ऊपर आपको स्प्रिंकल करना है हु परफॉर्म सर्विसेज फॉर यू, जिससे आपको बेनिफिट मिल रहा है. बाय थैंकिंग देम डायरेक्टली और अदरवाइज मेंटली एक्नॉलेज करके, अप्रिशिएट करके आपको ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करना है. फील ग्रेटफुल टू देम फॉर द सर्विसेज दे परफॉर्म, राइट? एंड देन just before you sleep, hold your magic rock in your hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that has happened during the day, right? And now we'll read tomorrow's practice. So it's the magic morning where you need to do when you wake up to the new day. Before you do a single thing, say the magic words, thank you. तो जैसे ही आप अपना आँख खोलो, आप उठो, आपको थैंक यू करना है फॉर दिस डे. फ्रॉम द मोमेंट यू ओपन योर आईज until you are finished getting ready, say the magic words thank you in your mind for everything you touch. आप टूथपेस्ट टच कर रहे हो, आप शावर टच कर रहे हो, आप सोप टच कर रहे हो, जो भी चीज कर रहे हो, उन सबको आपको थैंक यू करना है आज, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज ब्रिंगिंग एन इम्पैक्ट इन योर लाइफ. ओके, तो आपको कल फ्रॉम द टाइम यू वेक अप, open your eyes and say thank you, and everything you touch, उन सबको आपको thank you करना है. Okay? And then count your blessings and magic rock it. तो ये दो प्रैक्टिस आपको starting of the day से ही करना है. Okay? So this was all about magic dust, which is practice number 10. Okay? So stay tuned for the next day practice and don't forget to get up with a big thank you. Stay tuned.